Today, we're heading deep into the Cardamom foothills on an epic dirt bike adventure. We'll ride through remote villages, hidden back roads, and some of Cambodia's most beautiful mountain landscapes. Leaving Battambang behind, we trade busy roads for countryside trails. The further we ride, the more authentic Cambodia becomes. This is why we love adventure riding in Cambodia. Endless dirt tracks, friendly locals, and landscapes that seem to stretch forever. We pass through remote villages where life moves at a different pace. These hidden communities offer a glimpse into Cambodia that most travellers never get to see. The Cardamom foothills are getting closer. The terrain becomes more rugged, the scenery more dramatic, and the adventure even better. This is where the fun begins. Challenging trails, river crossings, and pure off-road riding through one of Cambodia's wildest regions. Moments like this make every kilometre worth it. The Cardamom foothills offer some of the most breathtaking views in Cambodia. Every turn reveals another incredible view. This is adventure riding at its finest, discovering places far beyond the ordinary. As the sun begins to set over the Cardamom foothills, we reflect on another unforgettable day of exploration, adventure, and discovery. Join us on the next expedition through Cambodia.